Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm excited to show you how to restore and prevent drying, sticky, or thick polish. So let's get started. Having some of your polishes thicken can be a bit of a bummer, especially if it's one of your favorites. It doesn't apply right and can be a big mess, so the first thing you should do is clean off the brush with some polish thinner. This will remove any sticky or dried up clumps stuck in the bristles. Be sure to check the description for some of my favorite polish thinners. You also want to make sure to keep the neck of the bottle clean with polish remover or acetone. When dried polish builds up, it doesn't allow the cap to completely close and will let air in, which is one cause of thick polish. Once you've done that, take the polish thinner again and apply 2 or 3 drops into the bottle. Something you don't want to do is use remover or acetone to thin the polish. This does work temporarily, but eventually it will break down the formula and ruin the polish. After you've added the thinner, close the cap and roll the bottle between your hands to mix instead of shaking. This helps prevent bubbles. And now your polish should be back to normal and easy to apply again. Another helpful tip is to make sure the caps of your bottles are tightly closed to block out air as much as possible. This can be hard, especially if you're doing nail art, I totally get it, but just try your best to remember to not leave the caps off longer than necessary. Also, it's best to store your polishes upright in a cool, dark place with a consistent temperature. The bathroom is actually not the greatest place due to the constant change in temperature, so maybe somewhere like a drawer in a closet or bedroom. So that's it for this video. I hope these tips have helped you revive some of your polishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!